Adding grain and texture not only boosts the quality of your motions, but it also injects a dash of professional flair into your videos. So in this tutorial, I guide you through the easy and quickest step to achieve this effect in no time. First, create a composition, draw an ellipse and choose your desired color. Select a pen tool and draw a shape as described. Choose a darker color based on your ellipse's color and click OK. Navigate to Effects and Presets, search for Set Matte and add it to the shape you created above. With your top layer selected, go to Effect Control, set the matte from the layer to your ellipse to apply the mask. Go to Effects and Preset again, type Roughen Edges and add it above Set Matte. Change the border to 150 and the scale to 1. Parent your shapes to the ellipse tool so that if the ellipse moves, they move as well. To give some movement to your grain, turn on devolution at the start and change the CTI position, adding your desired value for the evolution amount, and you're done.